Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well at the home. Now, continuing the posting journal entry into a ledger, we have till now understand that how to post the assets accounts into the ledger. We have discussed about the cash assets accounts and accounts receivables etc. in previous classes. Now I am going to explain about the liabilities account, that how you can post the liabilities accounts transactions into the ledger. So first on your screen you can see the liability accounts in which utilities payable. So you have remembered when you will check the transactions, you can see that we had on January 13 we had a utility bills of phone, sorry, for electricity, and amount was $2470. It was the electricity bill which we have received, and at the end of month we hadn't paid the electricity bill, so again it's a liabilities for a company, and that's why it has been posted in liabilities accounts as a utilities payable. Again on January 31 we have received a bill of telephone of amounting 1494. So again we have to pay this amount in coming future. Till January 31 we hadn't paid the telephone bill amounts, that's why again we have written in the liabilities accounts and on the credit side. When it comes towards the unearned revenue, you had remembered that on January 25 we have received the cash of $4,000 to give company service in future. We have received this amount as an advance, so it is as a liabilities because till now, till January 31 we hadn't given the service to our clients. That's why this is known as the unearned revenue, and its liabilities for the company till we didn't give the service. So we have written same amount as a liabilities in unearned revenue. Now it comes about the accounts payable. So you can see, you had remembered that initially on January 4 we have purchased the office supplies of $17,600, and the same amount we had paid on January 13th. So on the credit side we have posted accounts payable accounts January $17,600, and on the debit side again as we have paid, so we have posted the same amount. On January 26 again we have purchased office supplies on credit on accounts payable, so we have written the same amount on credit side. So at the month end we have the $5,200 as a liabilities in accounts payable. Next is notes payable. You had remembered that initially on Jan 3 we have purchased the equipments of $80,000, in which we have paid cash of $60,000 and $20,000 was as a notes payable. So the same amount we have credited in the notes payable accounts as a liabilities, and at the month end we have the $20,000 as the notes payable accounts. So these were the sides of liabilities accounts. In next class we will further read study about the next kinds of accounts which we will go to post in the journal entries in the ledger. Thank you.